Welcome to Kietha T's Kitchen, y'all. Tonight I am making a cheeseburger for my mom, and then we're going to follow that up with a sauteed burger in brown gravy with some cheesy mashed potatoes, so y'all keep watching.
Come cook with me. I got the recipe. Kietha GT, the way for me. Yeah, we cooking up that energy.
Okay, let's get into it. Y'all see I got that burger in the pan, and we are about to cut up that potato so that we can get those cheesy mashed potatoes going, y'all. It is going to be absolutely delicious. Keep watching, and thank you so much for clicking that button to watch my videos. Y'all comment below, have you ever cooked your burger in water? Did you know you don't have to cook your burgers in oil? Drop a comment and let me know. Meanwhile, let's get started on that potato. We've got to peel it, we've got to chop it, and we've got to get that potato boiling. Let's mash those potatoes and prepare them. The next thing you'll see me do is add some heavy whipping cream. And then we will add some butter. Well, I can't believe it's butter. We'll give them a good stir, guys. We'll add some garlic powder. And we're gonna go in with some mozzarella cheese. Keep watching. Okay, so we also needed to go in with some more salt and some black pepper, which is what you see me doing here. Had to flip that burger again, y'all. And now let's just go ahead and continue stirring those potatoes. Okay, let's put that burger in. This is the one that we're going to saute and cook in that good old brown gravy. Let's slice up some onions. You know we need to add some onions to get that flavor popping on that burger. Y'all just keep watching. Okay, time to add those onions to the burger. Get all that flavor in there, guys. And then we're going to add just a little bit more water. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. This is a good time for you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Right here, we're going to give that burger one more flip. And then we're going to add that brown gravy mix right into that pot. I use 1 pack of brown gravy mix, some water, oil, and a little flour. Thank you again for watching my video. It's Kietha T. Y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Y'all be blessed.